Hello, I'm Noélle Cristina. Welcome to the 13th day of the Yoga Christmas Challenge. Let's see what's our main pose today. It's always a surprise, I never know. See? So the main pose for today is airplane pose. Get your things together and meet me at your mat. Let's start our practice today in Virasana Hero's Pose. To make that pose more comfy for you, please have with you yoga blocks, a stack of books, or a small step stool, or even some pillows, just for you to sit on top. I'm going to show you how you're going to be using those props. So you're going to set your props by your feet, between your feet, and you're going to sit on top. The whole idea of Hero's Pose is to keep our knees together and keep our butt between our feet. The whole idea of Hero's Pose, Virasana, is to keep your knees together and your butt between your feet, okay? So if you are already super duper flexible, go ahead and sit it on the floor like that. But I would love to see you sitting on blocks or whatever you have, okay? Just let your spine be straight. Send gently your belly in and your tailbone under. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Relax all the muscles of your face. And remember that before we do any movement, it's extremely important for you to reconnect with yourself. To notice how you are today, your mood, your energy, the thoughts. Notice how you feel. Pay attention which day of the week is today. How does that affect you? If you're working or if you're not working, and how that affects you. Notice what time of the day it is and how that affects you. Notice how is the weather, the temperature, if it's cold, snowing, raining, whatever you are, notice the environment around you and how that affects you. All these things that I'm asking you to notice, it affects you, affects your energy, affects your mood, affects your digestion system, your stress level, your anxiety level. And then start following your inhalation and your exhalation. Following your breath in, letting go of the outside. Because this is your moment to reconnect with yourself, to enjoy yourself, to have some fun with yourself while you are strengthening and stretching your physical body, relaxing and bringing clarity to your mind body, and letting go of some emotions that has been stuck with you. Let's take a long deep breath in through the nose. Open your mouth inside out. Beautiful. Inhale in. Exhale out. One more time. Inhale in. Hold the breath, relax the body, open your mouth inside out. Stay sitting here for a couple more seconds and just be present. Slowly start opening your eyes and find your tabletop position. You can move the props away. Inhale, let's find a cow. Exhale, find cat spine around your back. Inhale, looking forward, tail pointed. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Always bring your toes to the floor into cow. So inhale, cow, toes to the floor. Tilt your tailbone. Exhale, cat. Top of the foot on the floor. Round your back as much as you can. Hold it here. Last time, cow. Toes to the floor. Looking forward. No need to stretch to stress your cervical and look all the way up. And then find neutral tabletop position. Just start rotating your hips to one direction. And then the other side. Perfect. Nice. From here, let's find downward facing dog. Keep your knees super bent. Send your hips high as much as you can. Press equally in all your fingers. So take a little pressure off your wrist. Now start straightening the left leg. Keep the right bend and hold here. Now bend the left straight, the right leg, hips high. Bend the right, straight the left, and now walk your dog a couple times. Where you straight one leg and bend the other. Don't forget to breathe. Find the stillness in center. Send your hips higher. And then straight the leg. Try to bring your heels closer to the floor. Bend the legs, heel out. Straight the legs, heels to the floor. Bend the knees, heels out. One last time, straight, heels to the floor. If you cannot, there's no problem. Just try your best to bring. And then let's find child's pose. So move the props you have by the side. Knees as wide as the yoga mat. Sit on your heels or close to your heels. Extend your arms forward. Inhale and exhale. Rest your forearms on the floor and rotate your wrist to one direction and change. Keep your arms extended. Breathe. Now inhale, tabletop position. Toes to the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring the heels together, toes to the side. Inhale, right hand between your legs. Hands on your hips. Inhale, come up with the left leg off the floor. Turn your toes pointing down. Kick your heels. And now open your arms parallel to the floor by the side. Airplane position. Inhale, hands to hips. Start bringing the left leg towards your chest without putting the left leg on the floor. Hug towards your chest. Beautiful. Let's go again to our plane pose, try your best to not put the left leg on the floor. Hands on hips, bring the left leg all the way back, torso parallel to the floor, left leg parallel to the floor, flex the left foot, toes pointing down, kick the left heel, arm parallel in airplane. Inhale and exhale. Next inhalation, again without touching the floor, left knee towards your chest. Hold it tight, hold tight. And let's flow one more time to airplane. Hands and hips, kick it back. Find airplane pose. Keep your right leg straight. Maybe a micro bend on your right leg. And then bring the left leg to the floor. Shake it off the right leg first. Shake it off the knee and the foot, especially the heels as well. And then shake it out the left. Awesome. On the top of your mat, rest in Tadasana. Feel how your heartbeats got faster. How probably your breathing got shorter. How your body got warm. Take deep, long inhalations and exhalations to regulate your body. Regulating your body temperature, regulating your heartbeats, regulating your breath. That's how a lot of people say that yogis know how to regulate your heartbeats, the temperature, with a nice and long breath. So in the moments of stress outside the mat, you will know how to regulate your body as well. Bring your hands to prayer, open your eyes, inhale, arms all the way up, bound back a little bit, exhale, forward fold, rest down. Opposite, hands up, holding opposite elbows. Let the gravity do the work here. Bend your knees a lot, bring your hands to the floor, right leg back, left leg back, find plank. You can always modify plank, bringing one knee down or both knee down. But the whole idea, if you have both knee down, always keep your belly button in and your tail under so your core is active. Let's hold plank for a little bit. So inhale and exhale.